Hi. The single most important skill in the toolkit of all great leaders is communication. Now, when I say communication, we tend to think about speaking, but communication starts with listening. If we can't listen effectively, then we will not be able to communicate effectively and inspire our followers, which is what leadership is all about. Leadership is about inspiration and empowerment, and it all starts with being an effective listener, an effective communicator, and it all communication, all effective communication starts with the ability to be a great listener. So that's what I want you to think about today. Learn to be a great listener. Like and follow for more.